Let's get right into our tricep extension single arm to test out our strength and to make sure that our elbow control is equal on both sides. So we're going to take a medium kettlebell here, and we're going to get ourselves set up so we can get the alignment from the core, and then from here we'll go ahead with the muscle finder down, 1, 2, 3, up, 2, 3, down, 2, 3, zone right in on the control that you have from the wrist to the elbow to the shoulder. And as we work on that control, breathing in and then out, and breathing in and out. So you're just working to gain that muscle control here for the triceps area to the wrist position. And we keep that wrist position as we've learned with the holding the kettlebell, cradling it across the palm. And as we finish our 10 repetitions on this side, with our pace of 3 seconds down, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3, up, 5, and 6. We're zoning right in on that tricep on that side. How well does we control from the tricep to the wrist on that side? So we're always going to switch over the body. Don't switch over your head, right? We're going to take a hold here, and again down, 2, 3, setting up from the core to the arm position, and then moving from the tricep to the wrist here, down, 2 and 3, up, 2 and 3. Breathing in and out, and testing. Now this is again, making sure that on our single arm kettlebell tricep or dumbbell tricep, whichever one you have, the dumbbell or the kettlebell, or the band. You can also use a band on this as well, but that we have the same muscle control, we have the same strength and endurance on the right and the left elbow. Zone right in, focus on that arm movement pattern, and let's get those repetitions until we can feel that burn. As we do, we're also doing this not just on this phase of the strength, muscle finder strength, but we're also in the phase of making sure that we get the burn in the muscle belly here to know that we're burning out that stored blood sugar, stored muscle sugar, glycogen that's stored in the muscles. And rest. So there you go. The single arm kettlebell tricep, trying to zone in on how the arm, the tricep controls to the wrist.